Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about fuel storage, gasoline and diesel fuel. Now, you've probably heard a lot. Oh yeah, if you're storing it for so long, you need to get it treated, or if you're storing it in an area where there's humidity and temperature changes, and you're going to get water buildup in it, you got to make sure it's treated. All good, valid points. The biggest thing I hear is, oh, you need to treat it before the winter time. Well, that's possible, but there's sometimes some of the fuels I'll use more in the wintertime than I do in the summertime. So I need to make sure it's treated for summertime storage, because summertime we really get a lot of temperature variations, and you get a chance of getting condensation in the fuel storage containers and getting water into your fuel, whether it's diesel or gasoline. And some of the fuel treatment additives will help alleviate that problem. All right, so think about it, look at what you got, figure out, okay, this fuel's going to be here for so long, and figure out all about it, and then treat your fuel accordingly. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Make sure your fuels are properly stored too. Learn a new skill every month. And if you can, grow an indoor garden. You really need to have fresh food.